Hi guys, I'm Phil Town from Rule 1 Investing, and today I want to talk to you about the importance of investing in the things that you love. As a reminder, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications when I release new videos. When it comes to investing, conventional wisdom says to hand your money over to a financial advisor and let them diversify your investments for you. Now, why think too much about where your money's going if you don't have to, right? Wrong. Here's a problem with that mindset. Your values matter. Consistently pouring your life and efforts into the things you care about, that's what matters. That's what changes the world. As an investor, no matter how small, you're backing a company and helping it succeed when you put your money in it. And if you can't feel good about the companies you're giving your money to, they probably don't deserve your money. Now, thinking it doesn't matter where your money goes in the grand scheme of things, well, think again. As much as 85% of the stock market is controlled by small investors just like you. Imagine the impact of those small investors that they could have if they invested based on their passion and their values, rather than the values or just the blind greed that drives financial institutions' investment decisions. You and your money have a voice. You get a vote. Every dollar is a vote. You can choose to invest in whatever you want, wherever your passions lie. And the great thing about that is that everyone values different things. For example, Warren Buffett chose to invest in Coca-Cola because drinking Coke makes him happy, among other reasons. Others might choose not to invest in Coca-Cola, like me, for example, because I'm addicted to it, because they don't believe in selling sugar to children or to adults like me. So whatever you believe, there's a company out there that'll match those values. Now, if you're not sure what investments match your values, I've got a great download for you called the 3 Circles exercise. Just click on the link on the screen to get it, do it, and you're going to suddenly find what companies match your passions, your talent, and the money you spend. Now, taking ownership of your money and your investments, what does it mean? It means digging a little deeper than you used to so that you understand the way the industries or the companies you're investing in actually operate. In another video, I discuss how you can feel more confident in your investments, and bottom line, it comes down to doing a little bit of research, a little bit of reading. And amassing that level of knowledge, what it does is it sets you up for success, and it gives you a leg up on making smart investment decisions. You don't want to invest in something just because your cousin said, ooh, they're sure to take off in the near future, or because your nephew is talking up the latest and greatest innovation in the tech world. I want you to dig deep to make sure you understand what you're putting your money toward. I want you to make sure that you're asking just a few hard questions about the operating practices of any company you're considering investing in, and you'll rest easy because now you know you did everything you could do to stand up for the things you believe in, to put your money toward those kinds of companies. You also understand the business, which is great, and know that you're putting your money into something wonderful that 10 years from now is very likely to be worth a lot more. Now, even more importantly, remember, when you hand your investment funds over to a financial advisor, you're giving them permission to invest your money as they see fit. And they could easily choose to invest your money in companies you wouldn't choose to support. Now, instead of allowing somebody else to invest for you, what I want you to do is take charge of your investments and make sure you're putting your money where your mouth is, where your passions are, and most importantly, where your values lie. Because at the end of the day, you're a lot better off knowing that you've used your resources as wisely as possible to make the world a better place, and you've done the best you can with what you've got. Man, I'll tell you, if you do that, the world's going to be awesome. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you invest in things that matter to you, that match your values, or do you only invest just to make money? Now, leave a comment below with your answer, and I'll be sure to follow up with you. It's kind of a hot button for a lot of people. So thanks for watching, you guys. Now go play. If you enjoyed this video and feel it was valuable in teaching you more about investing with your values, hit the like button and please share this video with your friends. And if you want more investing content, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the button on the screen for a free gift. Thanks again for watching.